Welcome to English in a Minute. This is a shoulder.
Cold shoulder.
So if I get a cold shoulder, should I just wear warmer clothing?
Hey, I got your email about the party. Thanks for inviting me. But why didn't you invite Megan?
She's a troublemaker. I get a bad feeling every time I'm around her.
So you're giving her the cold shoulder.
Yeah, that is the best way to deal with people like that.
This expression is not about temperature. Cold also means distant or unfriendly. So when you give someone the cold shoulder, you ignore them. This phrase may come from the fact that when you ignore someone, you turn your body, shoulders included, away from them. And that's English in a Minute.